Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to do a winged eyeliner tutorial. Yeah, the reason that I'm doing a winged eyeliner tutorial is because I don't think I've done that, and I have switched up some things about my winged eyeliners. Also, just the way that I do it more accordingly to the way that my eye is shaping. And yeah, so today is going to be a eyeliner tutorial with tips and hacks for those of you who have hooded eyelids. You don't have to do an extremely long winged eyeliner like I do. This is just the way that I do my eyeliner. Please keep watching and we will get right into this video. Alright, so for those of you who have hooded eyelids, and hooded eyelids is when you look straight ahead and this part of the crease kind of comes down onto the lid. That is when you have hooded eyelids. Now there are different types of eyes. There are close set eyes. There are eyes that are more set apart. There are very nice and big spacious eyes. And I feel like the older we get, we will start to get hooded eyelids. And I have seriously changed the technique of the way that I do my eyeliner now, because I feel like when I was 25, my eyeliner would always be just like, and it was like a no-brainer, one step I'm done situation. Whereas now you really have to think about the placement of the eyeliner. I will do more videos on tips and tricks for doing your eyeshadow if you have hooded eyelids. So if you would like that, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also leave me a comment down below, because I have a lot of tips and tricks that I have learned throughout the years. So let's get started with this tutorial. Alright, so today I'm going to be using my Pretty Vulgar gel eyeliner. Just check out how beautiful this packaging is. I love this gel liner because it's very, very black, intense black. It lasts, it's very creamy and easy to work with. And yeah, plus the packaging is beautiful. Then we are going to be using a detail pointed eyeliner brush. Alright, so I can't tell you guys how many times I have heard people tell me, I like your eyeliner, but eyeliner is not for me. I have hooded eyes, and I'm just like, eyeliner can be for everyone, for your type of eye. You need a brush, a gel liner, or you can even use a liquid eyeliner. It's completely up to you, or even use a black eyeshadow if you feel more comfortable with a more subtle, softer eyeliner look. Alright, so what you are going to want to do is look straight ahead. Now I'm looking straight ahead, but into a mirror. And as you can see, this part begins to fold. And if I were to just go straight in and do my eyeliner, there would be like little jagged edges and skipping and all of that. Now, when doing your eyeliner, if you have hooded eyes, you actually want to begin the line further out. You want to begin, let's say, right here. So see how I avoided the folding of where the lid is, that is where you want to begin. So you don't want to begin your eyeliner right where your fold would be. If I were to begin it right where the outer corner of my eye begins, it would just skip over it because the fold is in the way, because our skin is overlapping it. I hope that I'm making sense. And yeah, so now that we pretty much marked the spot, you can begin. So see how it is further out. Now, I mean, you might think like, wow, that is way too far out, but that's, like I said, going to avoid that folding. So now what you want to do, if you look up, the folding's not in the way, and then at the end we will fix the outer edge. Now different people do it different ways, but this is a way that I have found that works on myself and also on people when I do their makeup. Then what I'm going to do is actually begin in the middle. I like to begin in the middle because to me it's kind of like connect the dots, you know, where it's going to be like very easy to just connect everything and make it look like it flows. So then what I like to do is I like to lay it flat and bring it in. I'm bringing it into the inner corner, and I'm drawing my line. Now I do like to bring it into the tear duct. Now if you don't want to bring it all the way into the inner corner, I would honestly stop right there. So leaving a little bit of space, and that is it. You don't have to bring it all the way in like I did. And now what I like to do is I go from the outer corner of the eyeliner that we created, and I bring it downwards like this. So as you can see, I didn't go straight onto this side because the fold of the eye is there. So what I did was I brought it downwards, pretty much where it ends. You make a little triangle and bring it downwards. That's how I do it. And then I fill in this little area first, and then I go ahead and pretty much fill in that blank space. And as you can see, it made it easier because we avoided that, and when doing that we were able to really get in there in that little tiny gap. Whereas if we were to do it like just straight across, it would probably skip or go elsewhere, it would smudge or something. And just taking that little extra step really helped. Now I don't like how thick it is on the outer corner. I'm not claiming to be an expert at eyeliner, but we're not trying to look like Amy Winehouse or Lady Gaga right now. So let me take a concealer brush and clean up the outer edge. Okay, so now to clean that up, I'm taking a small little flat brush and I'm going to pretty much begin to make it as thin as I want it to be. Alright, so I think I want it that thick. So as you can see, it's a lot thicker and then it gets really thin on the outer part. Now what I do is I will use one of my fingers. Sorry that I'm using my middle finger, but it's just what I'm using. And I am patting the concealer in. And the warmth of my finger is pretty much going to help it melt into the skin. And there we go. And that is what it looks like. Now let me go ahead and do the other side off camera. So this is the final eyeliner look. If you guys would like to see more tips and tricks for hooded eyes or just any type of eye that you want me to do a video about, so any type of eye that you want me to do a video about, I can go ahead and do that for you guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and leave me a comment down below as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.